Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, the Superchain. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. And I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of both XPR and Metal at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to. So, guys, this is XPR Network. This is the daily chart, guys. XPR is up 12.87% for the day. The price went up from 0.001231 all the way to 0.0015, and ever since that time, guys, the price has been consolidating sideways price action. If we look at the 7 days chart, guys, the price is up 2.64% in the last 7 days. Check this out. But if you look at the monthly here, we can see that some bigger picture over here, guys. The price is up 28.06% for the month. It went from 0.00104. Like I told you guys, ever since this zero was killed, guys, this has remained a psychological barrier, the support level, which remains intact, and it remains solid. It has remained solid for a while now, and the price went on in the monthly and killed this resistance over here, the 0.0013 mark. And in my opinion, guys, now that the price is above the 0.0013 mark again, I think this will prove to be a crucial support as well, because if you look at the early as well, this is a crucial support over here, guys. Check this out. This is a crucial resistance turned support over here. The price now might go in the next leg up. It might go and test this early resistance over here, because, guys, overall XPR is still extremely undervalued. The price is down 97.89%. And, guys, the best part is, check out the volume increase. The volume is up 1267 percent, guys. So check this out, all the way to 10 million, guys. Check this out. Suddenly 10.47 million. I do not know what is up with volume over here, because the volume sometimes precedes a good price action. Let's see how it goes, though. Some It will go somewhere down or up most of the time, but if it is legit volume, let's see if this is not a glitch. What is this? Their partner backed out on them, so the project is basically screwed. Plenty other good cryptos out there, y'all. So who replied over here? Mr. Sabito. FUD MTL is moving from Ethereum to native MTL layer 2 chain, which is not supported by Coinbase. Okay, XPR the Phoenix. Coinbase recognizing the stink and is separating itself. So various opinions on XPR, guys. Various opinions. Some pessimists, some negative comments, some positive. But, guys, overall, the ecosystem of Metallicus is extremely undervalued. Look at Metal as well. It is down a 96.41% all-time chart, guys. It is extremely undervalued. If you truly believe in it, the ecosystem, I think this is the time to get in, because $8.73 billion market cap is nothing for what the Metallicus ecosystem can offer, if it eventually does offer. Because, guys, I was checking out the Marshall Hayner's official X handle. He's constantly, guys, reposting, and he's constantly active, talking about stuff. I came across this recording as well, guys. Check this out. This is from Velodrome. Marshall Hayner has reposted this. Join us tomorrow on Spaces to meet Metal Layer 2. team and learn about how they plan to grow the banking layer one for the Superchain with compliant solutions for users, developers, and institutions. So not just for users, guys, for basically providing compliant solutions for developers as well as institutions. So a hybrid of all three, guys. Let us you have to check this out yourselves, 45-minute long, but let us just look into this a bit. Let's just play this. I do not know why there is no voice. Just a moment.
Probably is great at telling this story in terms of the lore, so I'm going to let him take the torch.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Yes, this is Alex from Velodrome on the main account this afternoon. Velodrome launched. We're close to our 2-year anniversary here on Optimism mainnet, and Velodrome was designed to be what we're calling a meta DEX, and that is a DEX that combines together the best of Uniswap, V2, and V3.
We need to
of Curve, Convex, Vodium.
X is really shit when it comes to this. I mean, seriously, we need to hear Marshall speak.
All into a single streamlined layer that's designed to be kind of. And the really cool thing about what we're doing is
you're going to see that roll out with WEBAUTH pretty soon. This was kind of our first, kind of line in the sand to say, okay, this wallet now supports Ethereum. You're going to see that roll.
Yeah.
The software that we use needs to be very secure and very.
Just a moment. Yeah, this is it.
All of that. And I fell in love, over 25 years ago with, Steve Jobs' vision of, building a cohesive platform that just works, right? And one that's not just works, but works really well and kind of anticipates the things you want to do. When you think, hey, I want to do this, I want to get cash in my bank account, or I want to get crypto in the ecosystem, or I want to make a trade or do some lending or, use a wallet. A lot of this stuff is very complicated in crypto. People have lost a lot of money, not just for falling victim to some sort of phishing or scam or something, but just by losing keys. Or I can recall in the first few years of crypto, when there was only one crypto wallet. Imagine that, just one. It was called the Skildebach wallet, and it was only on Android. And I had some Litecoin on there, and one day Google pulled it from the Play Store, and there was no easy backup way to get the private key. Sorry, I got a call from the other line. I think it might have interrupted my mic. But flash forward from that time frame, 2012 to modern day, right? Over a decade later. Now we have much better wallets, but you still have a lot of issues with people. Like if you just go onto X right now and just tweet MetaMask help, watch what happens, right? Not that that's avoidable, but the software that we use needs to be very secure and very user intuitive. And so when we built WEBAUTH, we had that vision in mind that not only we want to have web authentication. So we want to be able to use the native browser. We want to use the secure enclave. Maybe 5-10 years ago in crypto, everybody was very concerned about hardware wallets, and they still should be. But the idea of the hardware wallet is evolving, right? You have the secure enclave in your device, in iOS, in Android devices, on your computer. And now with passkeys, a lot of this stuff is synced. So, why should we leave the browser to make transactions? And I've seen Coinbase Wallet and Binance Trust Wallet and others kind of experimenting with this. But WEBAUTH.com, we are the original web authentication wallet in crypto. And so in doing that, we want to launch web authentication for the Superchain and by proxy for Ethereum. And you're going to see that roll out with WebAuth pretty soon. This was kind of our first, kind of line in the sand to say, okay, this wallet now supports Ethereum. Expect it to support all of the Superchain. Expect it to support other L2s, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, other applications. But we wanted to get that web authentication experience not only from an amazing user experience where you don't leave Chrome or Safari, don't leave your browser, but all of your devices are now synced. You lose a device, just remove it. And furthermore, into the future, as we start to issue metal identity on different chains, I don't want to type out all my information every time I sign up for something. Take a selfie, put up my ID, do all this stuff. No, that's tiring. It's ridiculous. And in some cases, the person on the other side shouldn't even have access to that data because they're going to lose it, or the entity is going to lose it. So, or maybe doesn't even need it. So how do we obfuscate that experience? So these are some of the first things you're going to see coming from us at the Metallicus side. But in partnering with Velodrome, we're really excited because it's incredible DEX, it's incredible DApp, proven on Base, proven on Optimism. And we feel that the products that we're making with MetalPay, and soon we're about to launch our white labeled API and SDK, which is an evolution of the Metal API, we're calling MetalPay Connect, which you're going to see coming out pretty soon. We want to have all of the dApps and builders have a native experience. So in the past in Web3, you typically have, a widget or something like that that has all this other companies or other equity brand equity all over it that's not your brand. Well, it should say VELO. It should say Velodrome. VELO's dApp should feel, native to that brand. So when you type in your credit card, all that information, it shouldn't feel like you're popping out, going to a separate site, and then getting a 30 to 40% failure rate, right? Where they lock your bank card, right? That's the experience now, unfortunately. And Metallicus, as a licensed money service business and money transfer company, we have that experience around traditional payments. We know where the pain points are. We know how to get higher success rates, better experience, lower rates, faster delivery times. And our 5-year, 10-year vision, you will sign up with a partner bank that's connected to Metal blockchain, and you'll just withdraw your fiat right on the chain, right into the VELO dApp. Make some profits, want to put it into your checking account, boom, it's done at the speed of Superchain. It's confirmed in your bank account.
Guys, this is awesome. Really good take on stuff, guys, from WebAuth to their services. Overall, the ecosystem of Metallicus, as you heard, they're extremely passionate to build an entire infrastructure from the scratch and basically transform how we know, how we do business, how we basically know crypto, the security, the privacy, and all of that stuff, identity. So what do you guys think about Metallicus, guys? What do you guys think about their vision, their passion for the business and for this space? I would like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.